Unleash the photographer within and transform your photos from good to fire. Ever wondered how to capture the perfect shot that not only showcases your style but also tells a story? Well, you're in for a treat. Today, we're spilling the beans on some game-changing photography hacks that will have you looking like a pro in no time. Join us on this journey as we spill the beans on these photography secrets and more. The first simple trick to getting good pictures is a feature that you may have used before. It is a secret tool hidden within your camera or smartphone app, the grid feature. Picture your photo divided into thirds, like slicing a pie. The grid suggests where to put important things, at the spots where the lines meet or along them. It's like a guide helping you create a cool pic. But wait, there's more? The grid isn't just about thirds, it straightens out wonky horizons too. No more tilted beach scenes, the grid fixes them up. Here's a neat fact. The grid also helps with balance and symmetry. It ensures everything looks just right in your pic. The grid turns your regular pics into better ones. It's not just a camera thing, it's your shortcut to cooler photos. So, you know those moments when you're trying to take a photo and the sky is crazy bright, but the shadows are like mysterious dark zones. HDR steps in like a superhero, taking a bunch of different shots at various exposures and then blending them together. The result? Boom! A photo that doesn't blast out the highlights or drown in the shadows. Imagine trying to capture the inside of a room with giant windows pouring in sunlight. HDR comes to the rescue, keeping everything in check. Too much HDR can make your photo look weird and unnatural, so moderation is key. Whether you're rocking a fancy camera or just using your smartphone, most devices these days have HDR built in. And if not, no worries. There are plenty of apps and software out there that can sprinkle some HDR magic on your pics during editing. Explore your phone camera's potential with different modes. Take striking portraits using portrait mode, adding depth to your shots. Embrace wide landscapes with panorama mode, stitching together stunning views. Dive into low-light scenes with night mode, revealing details in the dark. Each mode offers unique creative possibilities, letting you customize your photography for any situation. Now let's move on to some poses. So, we're talking about the don't notice the camera shot, the art of capturing life in its natural habitat. It's like becoming one with the environment, a photo ninja blending into the shadows of everyday actions. Imagine you're in the middle of a gripping novel, lost in the words. The camera? Just pretend that it isn't even there, or perhaps you're cooking up a storm in the kitchen. The camera? Merely a spectator. How about taking a sip from a glass? A casual, I'm just hydrating, no big deal moment. The camera? It's practically invisible. Fit pics are all about showcasing the outfit. It's funny how some clothes play hard to get in photos. You know, looking fab on camera but just meh in person. And don't get me started on the favorite outfit betrayal classic. So, for the perfect fit pic, it's all about that background hustle. If your gear is low-key, amp up the background drama. If you're the main event, tone down the background noise. Simple outfit, chaotic background. Standout outfit, chill background. Got to keep that contrast game strong. Selfies can be a powerful way to express yourself and showcase different aspects of your personality. The jawline selfie is a classic choice, highlighting your facial features and adding a touch of sophistication. The muscular back selfie can exude confidence and dedication to fitness, providing a glimpse of your hard work. The faceless selfie adds an element of mystery, allowing your audience to focus on the context or surroundings. Don't underestimate the charm of a gym selfie. It's a great way to share your fitness journey and motivate others. Remember, authenticity is key, and mixing in some goofy selfies alongside more posed shots adds a human touch. Life isn't always picture perfect, and showing your silly side makes you relatable. Hands all awkward and don't know what to do with them? Pocket it up. Stick one hand in there and boom, instant chill mode. It gives off this laid-back vibe like you own the place. To avoid the look of a double chin and just to create a stronger jawline in general, just casually do a mini swallow right before the pic, and voila, jawline game strong. Easy peasy. The magic ingredient to transform a good shot into a jaw-dropping masterpiece isn't some fancy camera trick. Nope, it's all about dancing with natural light. Imagine you're indoors, camera in hand, dreaming of turning your space into a photo haven. What's the secret move? Head to the nearest big window where sunlight floods in, turning the ordinary into something spectacular. But here's the twist. Did you know that the time of day can totally change your photo game? Enter the golden hour, a photographer's dream. Wondering why it's called that? It's the first hour after sunrise and the last hour before sunset, when the world is bathed in a warm golden glow. Now think of your photos during this magical hour. They don't just capture moments, they turn them into visual poetry thanks to that celestial glow. And guess what? The golden hour isn't just pretty, it's smart too. The sunlight at this time creates soft, flattering light, making everything and everyone look their best. So when you're out there chasing perfect shots, remember these times.